everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a beginner / intermediate choreography routine. So follow along and I hope you enjoy. Throughout this routine, I'll be switching between beginner and intermediate options. So if you need to fast forward through, you can, but if not, then okay. Pole, inside hand is high. You're going to start tilting your hips side to side. So putting all your weight into the hip or the foot that's still on the floor, and then bringing the other hip up. So as you do that, you're going to think about circling your ankles. So moving through a point and flex, and just going around and just tilting the hip up and down, up and down. If you want, maybe you can touch yourself, touch your hair, whatever feels good for you. So after we do our little ankle rolls, we're going to pull ourselves towards the pole and slide into our bicep grip. As you pull yourself towards the pole, you want to think about doing a little body wave, so starting with the head, chest, and come forward into your bicep grip. So option 1 for beginners, you did our ankle rolls, right? Body wave into your bicep grip, other hand comes on top, and then open it up. So you're still squeezing your bicep on the pole, elbows together, and you're just going to bring your legs apart. Option 2, if you're a beginner, intermediate, or intermediate, after you do your roll, again, after you do your roll, squeeze that bicep onto the pole, and you're going to do the same thing, open your legs, but with one arm. Okay? Try to get into a deep plie, as deep as you can go, or low. If you can't go that low, then it's okay, right? So from the beginning, we did our ankle roll, ankle roll, ankle roll. Ooh. Step it, roll it, open it up. From there, we're going to body roll down. So arching back, chest is lifted, and then pushing the hips back. Okay? Again, bringing it forward, opening it up, leaning the head back, chest follows, stomach, hips, and then push the booty back. So you do the same thing, except with one arm. Let me demonstrate really quickly. Okay, bring it forward, open it up, roll it down. From here, you're going to place your opposite hand onto the floor, and you're going to move your body in front of the pole. So right now we're in our bicep grip. You're going to bring your hand up as high as you can and move your body in front of the pole. Okay? From there, this is where it gets tricky. You're going to release your hand so your thumb is facing up to grab the pole and thread that leg through. So again, in our bicep grip, opposite hand comes to the floor. This hand slides up, push through, thumb comes up, make sure you have enough space, thread that leg through. Okay. So option 1 from here, for beginners, you're gonna bring one hand behind, other hand comes behind, and just do a little body waves and your reverse tabletop. So just circling it out, feeling nice, feeling fun. taking a little break, okay? If you're beginner, intermediate, and would like some more, from here, I'm gonna bring it through, add an extra spin, step it out, and then roll it. So one more time. Make sure to turn that front foot out or your inside foot. Add a little spin, bring it back, step it out, and roll. Okay, to continue, we're in our reverse tabletop. We did a little body rolls, circles, whatever you like to call them. You're going to bring whichever leg is closest to the pole up, cross, okay? Then you unhook, bring it down, and grab. Opposite leg is going to sweep over. You're going to lean. Other leg is going to open up. And then you're just going to arch it up. Let's see what that looks like from the transition. So we went down here, circle, circle, cross, bring it out, sweep, step, step, arch it up. And then from there, you can walk inside, and then finish off with your fireman spin. If you want another version for fireman spin, that's a little bit more difficult, you just do it with one hand and bring it up. Here's the intermediate version. Let's do it all together. Ooh. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else you want to see. If you want more choreography, more transitions, tricks, just let me know. Thank you.
On a tout dépensé, on n'a plus d'argent.